how to set up payment method in Prime Video Mobile. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can set up your payment method in Prime Video. So first thing, make sure you have downloaded and installed as well as signed in with your official Prime Video account, and then just simply open your application, and inside your application head over to your My Profile section by clicking on the bottom right corner as you can see here. And once you are inside here, just select the settings option at the top and head over to your My Account section. From here you just need to click on the Manage Account option, and when you click on it you will see the option called Your Membership, where you can officially set your payment method. So just click on it, and what you need to do is you just need to add your credentials on your credit card, that is name on your card, your card number and your expiration date, and simply add your card from here. So that is exactly how you set up your payment method in Prime Video Mobile. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.